Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.2 question number 2. Construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compasses. Right. First of all, we'll take a ruler. This is the ruler. Right. And first of all, we'll draw a line. We'll draw a line. We'll draw a line. You have to take 2 points, that is at 1 point at 0 and any other point. Suppose we are taking this up to 12. Right. I will change the color of this line. That is, we have taken a yellow color, right? And suppose the name of this line is L. The line of this, the name of this line is L. Let us take the name of this line be L. Therefore, we are writing here the name of this line is L, right? Now construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using a ruler and compass, right? Now take a compass. Let us take a compass. We are taking a compass here, right? And you have to take measure of 5.6 centimeter, right? Here we will take the measure of 5.6 centimeter, right? Here measure 5.6. This is 5.5. This is 5.6 centimeter, right? Here you see this is 5.6. That means the length of this one is 5.6, right? Now replace this scale here, right? Now take this compass and take the point here, right? Suppose this point is A point. Let us take this point as A, right? The initial point. Now if we made an arc here, it cuts the line here, right? Now if we replace this one, now you see, if you give the name here B, then the length of the line segment AB will be 5.6 centimeter, right? Therefore AB and the symbol of line segment is like this, and the length of AB is 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter, right? Again we are repeating. What you have to do? Construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using a ruler and compass. First of all, draw a line. That is the name of the line is L, right? After that, take a ruler and compass and measure this one as 5.6 centimeter. That is from here, and 5.6 is here, right? Take the length with the help of a compass. After that, you put the compass at point A, a pointer at point A, and make an arc at point B. Then the length of this line segment will be 5.6 centimeter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.